From a breathtaking lunar eclipse to my first vending event for 2025. March was a month of adventure, creativity, and new beginnings. Join me as I relive these moments, and I hope they inspire you to do something fun and creative on your own. I started off the month by capturing the partial lunar eclipse, which didn't turn out quite like I expected, but it was a lot of fun.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what.
Then my German Shepherd, Captain, and I went on a camping adventure at the Desperado Resort.
Is it cold? Oh man. Why is it almost dead? Thanks for getting the leash all wet.
The strong March winds made it very difficult to set up my tent, but we got it up and made it happen, and the flowing river next to me was so serene and peaceful. Very much a needed trip.
I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
Although it was really chilly that night, it got down to 49 degrees Fahrenheit. It was worth it to see the sunrise the next day. I just love a good sunrise. How about you? So I just finished tearing down my tent and everything and having a little snack before I take Captain down to the river and then come back and chill in the hammock. But this is so crazy. I'm looking like up into the hill, like where Matt has the pavilion, and then I'm looking down the river where all the campsites are, and like there's trees both ways, and it looks like in my rear view mirror you're looking like through it, like it's not actually a rear view reflection. Check it out. How do I flip it? Okay, so here's the top. And then look, other than the fact that the pavilion is not there, like it looks like you're looking through it. Isn't that crazy? Anyways, probably not crazy to you. Crazy to me. I hope you're enjoying the camping vlog. I am camping at the Desperado, and I've been dying to check it out. I kind of feel like I should just like haul a bucket out for the fun of it. What do you think, Captain? So cool, guys. Lastly, I kicked off my first event for 2025, and I participated in the Cast Lead High School second vendor event that was also on the same day as the East Central ISD 75th Parade, and it was a great time. chatted with some teachers I worked with last year and saw some of my students. I sold out of my coloring books and my deck books. You'll find out all about that in my newsletter this Friday, so be sure you're subscribed down below. In conclusion, March had it all: adventure, creativity, and growth. I hope you guys enjoyed, and now it's your turn. Will you go on your own adventure or take a creative leap in a whole new direction? Let me know in the comments below.